programmers, welcome to Programmers Colloquy. Programmers, in our last class we have seen how we can use order by clause in SQL to sort one column. In today's class we will see how we can sort a result set by multiple columns. And as you know, we have to use order by clause to sort the column or to sort the result set. But if you specify multiple column, the result set is sorted by the first column and then that sorted result set is sorted by second column and so on. Let me explain you through an example. I will use my database Shivala and I'll use select star from EMP. EMP is my table. So as you can see here, there are multiple columns. So I'm going to sort the result set by the department number first and then by this e name also. So let us see. I'm going to display columns like EMP ID and e name department number first of all. Then I'll use e name and then salary. So I'm going to display these four columns from our employee table. Now after this I have to use order by clause, as you know, to sort it. Now I want to sort my first column, that is department number in, and I want to arrange it in descending order. So I'll type here DESC, descending, and then I'll put a comma, then I'll mention my another column. So I'll take e name. I want to sort this in ascending order. Now let me explain you this. What happens in this case? If we wish to list the entire employee table in descending order of department, that is descending order of department, and if there are several employees having the same department, for example, you can see here Amit, Ashutosh, Ruchi and Tanishka, they belong to same department 101. So if several employees have the same department, we order them in ascending order by their names. Amit, Ashutosh, Ruchi and Tanishka. So what it will do, it will arrange first department number in descending order, and if there are many records with the same department number, it will sort the e name according to the ascending order for that common rows, for that common value. I'll take one more example here. I will take order by department number. I'll take in ascending order, and e name also I am taking in ascending order. Now as you can see, it's in 101 to 103 and the result is same because I have taken e name there also in ascending order, and in this query also I have taken it in ascending order only. So this way you can sort more than one column in MySQL. I hope you understood. If you have understood, please press the like button and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.